I invite you on a unique walk through Bern, the capital of Switzerland, which delights at every turn. This is no ordinary tour. It is a story whispered by stone alleys and the murmur of the emerald Aare River. Bern is not just an administrative city. It is a place where the power of history, the artistry of architecture, and the wildness of nature create a harmonious, unforgettable whole. Join me on a journey through the nooks, bridges, and towers of a city whose legend was born with the roar of a bear. We will begin our story by understanding where this city came from. Legend has it that in the year 1191, Duke Berchtold V von Zeringen, the founder of Bern, decided to name it after the first animal he hunted in the surrounding forests. As you might guess, his prey was a bear in German, Bär, which has forever become the symbol and heraldic patron of the city. Keeping this powerful origin in mind, our walk will take on a deeper meaning. A climb to the heavens, Bern Minster, Berner Münster. We start high up, literally. Our first destination is the Tower of the Bern Minster, the majestic Gothic cathedral dedicated to Saint Vincent of Saragossa. Its construction began in the year 1421, but its tower, the tallest in Switzerland at 106/10 of a meter, was not completed until the year 1893. This is a testament to the patience and determination of generations of Bern's citizens. Before we go up, let's pause for a moment before the main portal. It is a true masterpiece depicting the Last Judgment, with over 200 intricately carved figures, angels, saints, and the damned. It is a stone Bible for those who once could not read. Now it's time for a challenge. 344 stone steps lead us up in a spiral. The climb is like a journey through time, with each step revealing the craftsmanship of medieval builders. The effort is rewarded with a breathtaking view. From its top, a panorama unfolds that is the essence of Bern, a mosaic of the old town's red roofs, tightly embraced by the extraordinary turquoise loop of the Aare River. In the distance, on a clear day, the horizon is crowned by the snow-capped legendary peaks of the Bernese Alps, the Eiger Munch and Jungfrau. It is from here that you can truly see how strategically brilliant the city's location on this peninsula was. It's worth coming here at sunrise or sunset. That's when Bern truly looks like something out of a fairy tale, bathed in golden light. In the labyrinth of history, the old town and the Zytglogge. Let's come back down to earth now and lose ourselves in the charming streets of Bern's Old Town, which was inscribed in its entirety on the UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 1983. Its unique character is largely the result of a tragedy. In the year 1405, a great fire consumed most of the wooden buildings. Learning from this disaster, the citizens rebuilt the city using local sandstone, creating the cohesive and incredibly charming architecture we admire today. As you walk, it's impossible not to notice the characteristic Lauben stone arcades that stretch for over 6 kilometers. They form the longest covered shopping promenade in Europe, protecting pedestrians from both rain and sun. Sheltered beneath them are boutiques, galleries, and cellar restaurants. It's also worth paying attention to the more than 100 16th century fountains with allegorical figures that adorn the streets. Each tells a different story, from biblical figures to local heroes. In the heart of the old town, the Zytglogge, the famous clock tower, awaits us. Originally, it was a defensive tower in the city's first line of fortifications. Today, its greatest attraction is an astonishing astronomical clock dating from the year 1530. 4 minutes before every full hour, a small spectacle begins. Mechanical figures, a rooster, bears, and a jester perform their show, which has fascinated locals and tourists for centuries. It's more than just a clock. It's a symbol of order, precision, and the passage of time that has marked the rhythm of life in Bern for hundreds of years. The perspective from the bridges and an encounter with the city's symbol. Continuing on, we will reach the bridges that offer the most beautiful postcard views of Bern's panorama. First, we'll cross the low-hanging Zytglogge. It is from here, right next to the Bärengraben bear pit, that we can look at the city from the side of its cradle. Next to the bridge is the modern BärenPark, where the contemporary descendants of the legendary founder live. The view of the river, the Niedegkirche church, and the rooftops of the old town rising behind it is simply magical. Next, we will head to the high steel Kirchenfeldbrücke. This is a structure from the late 19th century, symbolizing Bern's entry into a new era. The view from here is completely different, wider, more monumental. On one side, we have the perfect profile of the Old Town with the dominant cathedral tower. On the other, the elegant museum district and the green spaces surrounding the city. It is the perfect spot for photos and a moment of reflection on how the city has evolved through the centuries. The heart of Swiss democracy, the Bundeshaus. Our walk would not be complete without a visit to the Bundeshaus, or the Federal Palace. After turbulent years of wars and instability, Bern was chosen as the capital of the newly formed federal state in the year 1848. The impressive building with its characteristic green dome is the seat of the Swiss parliament and government. It is the political center of the country, but also an open and accessible place, which perfectly reflects the spirit of Swiss democracy. In the square in front of the Parliament Bundesplatz, fountains spray in the summer and an ice rink operates in the winter. It is a vibrant heart not only of politics but of the community. Right next to it are small cafes with a local atmosphere, great for sitting down, having a coffee, and simply being in Bern, observing its calm, balanced rhythm. This walk is more than just sightseeing. It is an immersion into the story of a city that was born from a legend, survived fire, became the heart of one of the oldest democratic nations, and never lost its harmony with the surrounding nature. Despite its official seriousness, Bern can surprise you with its relaxed atmosphere, tranquility, and remarkable closeness to nature. Come, let's discover Bern together.